Attention Lagos! Unusual Praise 2025 returns this December. Bigger, louder, and more spirit-filled than ever. Join thousands of believers and anointed ministers as we gather to give God an unusual soul-lifting praise. Get ready for an unforgettable night of worship with Chioma Jesus, Moses Bliss, Sumisola, Mr. M and Revelation, Chinyere Udoma, Sir Jude Nam, Ada Zion, Bidemi, BJ Sachs, and many more. Unusual Praise 2025 is happening live on Friday, December 12th, 5 p.m. at the main bowl, Tafawa Balewa Square, Onikon, Lagos. Come with your family, friends, and loved ones. The countdown is on. Get ready for an unusual time in God's presence.